Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me this JPEG it's a JPEG, and want to know how to reproduce this. I actually think it would probably trace, but what we can do, we can measure, if we want it exactly, we can take the parallel dimension tool and go from about that line to about that line, and we're going to 737. So I'm going to make a rectangle that is, with my ratio lock, 7.37. Then I'm going to round the corners, and you can pick any number. 3 would probably do it. No, not quite enough. Let's go 4 to make a perfect shape. And then basically there is 3 lines with 2 lines in the middle. So we need to go to Effects and contour 5 times. I've already played with this to make sure it worked. And you get that right there. Now this is the main reason I draw in the center of the page, because I'm going to hit P and put it in the center of the page. I'm going to change my nudge factor. That thing is, okay, it's a contour, so it's not telling me the size, but I can go to Object, break contour apart, and my size is 737. So we can make our nudge factor 9. And then we can take a 2-point line and hit P. And then we can kind of bring this up to the picture. And that's pretty close. Well, I'm having trouble moving the picture. Well, you know, one thing we could do, and here's a good trick, take the virtual segment delete key and delete that little part, and then group all this together for a second, and then let's move that line out of the way. And these are all grouped together because it's a picture. And now we can just hit B, and now they're equal across the bottom, and they're equal because I took away that line. Well, they're not quite equal. So you could set your nudge factor on something a little different, like 0.25, and grab that item and whoop, right there. So the other part was a little bigger, so we need to stretch it. That'll work. And then just take a 2-point line about right in there. That'll work right there. And now because we'll set our nudge factor back to 9 inches, and we'll just use the Smart Fill tool and we'll fill that in, and fill that in. Now, I'd go ahead and group these together, Control G, hold down the Control button, Control D, and then still hold down the Control button and move this over, and then make that side red. I think I'm dead on. I did practice to get my measurement, and look at the difference in the fuzziness of the vector file versus the picture file. Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.